Hi guys, welcome to my video on caring for orchids after flowering. Today, I will share with you 6 hacks that every beginner orchid enthusiast needs to know. Many orchid owners struggled with what to do once their orchids finish blooming, often leading to neglect or even plant loss. This is crucial moment in an orchid's life cycles as the way you care for it after flowering can determine its overall health and ability to rebloom. Orchids require specific care to thrive, and neglecting them after flowering can be detrimental. In fact, many orchids owners unintentionally harm their plants by not providing the right conditions after blooming. And this can lead to a decline in the plant's health and, in some cases, even cause it to die. Orchid owners often overlook the importance of post flowering care, focusing instead on the blooming period. However, this is a mistake, as the period after flowering is critical for the plant's overall health and reblooming potential. By understanding the needs of your orchid after flowering, you can take the necessary steps to ensure it remains healthy and thrives. Many people think that once an orchid finishes blooming, it's done, but that's not the case. With the right care, your orchid can rebloom and continue to thrive. It's all about understanding the needs of your plant and providing it with the right condition to flourish. Guys, the most important hack that can dramatically improve your orchid chance of reblooming is understanding their specific care needs after flowering. This is the most critical step in caring for your orchids as it requires deep understanding of the plant's needs and willingness to provide the right conditions. So, guys, we'll explore each of the 6 hacks that will help rejuvenate your orchids. One is pruning. Proper pruning is critical step in caring for your orchids after flowering as it helps to maintain the plant's shape and promote new growth by removing dead or damaged flowers and stems. You can help your orchids direct its energy towards producing new blooms. This is a delicate process and it is essential to use the right tools and techniques to avoid damaging the plant. Two, optimal watering schedules are also crucial for orchid care after flowering. Overwatering can be detrimental to your orchid, causing rot, and other problems. On the other hand, underwatering can cause the plant to become stressed, leading to a decline in its health. This includes understanding the specific watering needs of your orchids, taking into account factors such as humidity, temperature, and light. 3, ideal light conditions are also important for orchid care after flowering. Different types of orchids have different lighting requirements, and it is crucial to understand the specific needs of your plant. By providing the right amount of light, you can help your orchid photosynthesize and produce the energy it needs to grow and bloom. This includes understanding the importance of indirect light, direct light, and the role of darkness in promoting healthy growth. Another specific care needs of your orchids after flowering is number 4, adjusting environment, which includes right temperature or humidity. Number 5, providing the right amount of nutrients. And number 6, repotting if necessary. So to summarize, we've covered six beginner hacks that will ensure your orchids thrive after flowering, including tips on care and maintenance. And so, by following these tips and providing your orchid with the right conditions, you can help it rebloom and enjoy its beauty for months to come. Guys, if you found these tips helpful, be sure to check out my other videos on orchid care and share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching.